What's up everyone, it's Alrieke here. This year I'm stepping up my game and learning to become a machinist from being an ordinary mom. In the past 3 videos we've actually tackled quite a few. I started off just designing a simple part in SOLIDWORKS, then actually programming said part inside of SOLIDWORKS CAM, and then learning how to use a CNC machine or a milling machine, and then actually milling the part myself. This little block over here. It stands here to remind me that this is important. So if you haven't had a look at those videos yet, please head on over to our channel and have a look at those few videos. They're very interesting. Today I'm moving into the next step of my learning phase, which is the turning part. I'm very excited for that. In today's video, I will be working through the Titans of CNC Academy videos again. First, just looking at CAD models and designing a basic part for turning. I'll be looking into a few different videos. I just recorded the one, but I'll be looking at a few different ones to understand the process better before looking into the turning, the programming of the turning of said part. So today it's going to be back to basics with SOLIDWORKS. Come and have a look at what I'm doing. Nothing too complex, very basic part that I had a look at originally or just now. I understand that I'll be turning this model. So having everything revolved over the same axes and making sure that I have one solid part should make it easier when it comes to the programming of this component itself. I'll have a look at a little bit more components and maybe some of the theory behind it in the days coming. So yeah, it wasn't difficult at all. I mean, I know how to use SOLIDWORKS, but that's actually something that I've learned quite early on during this process, is even though I know how to use SOLIDWORKS, looking and understanding at making a component for manufacturing or machining. Looking at the way that the guys from Titans of CNC does it, and then how I would have interpreted in doing this, creating this component initially. The part that I created was the first component in a series, so I'm super eager in building the entire series out. It's going to be a small rocket. I don't think it'll actually become an actual rocket. It's just simple blocks that you put together like a small toy. But I'm excited for the next step, which is looking into programming the specific component for turning inside of SOLIDWORKS CAM. So stay tuned for the next video, which will come out hopefully next month. And yeah, I'm excited. Hope to see you guys there. Thank you very much for joining this video.